Into mathematics immunity. Now the topic today is the cycle. A cycle has been defined as a locus of points equidistant from a fixed point. If you have a fixed point, cycle will be the locus equidistant from the fixed point. So any point on this circumference is equidistant from the center. So it's equidistant. So cycle is defined as a locus of point equidistant from a fixed point, and that will be your radius. A circle is completely specified if we know the center and the radius. Equation of a circle: center A, B, radius R. Now, if this is your Cartesian plane, the y and x axis, this is your origin 0. Now, if this is the center of the circle, center AB, I call it point AB, and now I have another point Q, XY. Now, the meaning of AB here, it means that when x is A, y is B. And at this point, when x is X, y is Y. So now we form the right angle triangle here. From the center to any point on circumference is your radius. So from here to here is A, from here to here is X. So the distance here will be X minus A. Similarly, from here to here is B, from here to here is Y. The distance between here will be Y minus B, which is equal to this place, Y minus B. So how do we get this radius? So from here we have, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras rule or theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So we have x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to the hypotenuse r square. So this is the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle. Now, if the center of the circle is at the origin, so that means your center P will be 0, 0. Now we have your radius here. So now let's call this coordinate point Q, X, Y. So if this is X and this is Y, so we have Y. This is your Y axis and this is your X axis. So from here we have that using Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared will give you r squared. This condition is if the center of the circle is at the origin, and your origin is 0, 0. When x is 0, y is 0. Now examples. Now example 1 says find the equation of the circle center 3, minus 2 and radius 2 unit. Find the equation of the circle. Now this is solution. We have the circle. Find the equation of the circle of center is 3, minus 2. Now if the center is 3, minus 2, it implies that it is A, B. So A is 3, B is minus 2. Find the equation where your R is 2 units. Now the equation of a circle x minus a squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. This is the equation of the circle. So we have x minus a is 3, yb is minus 2, a is 3 plus y minus b is minus 2 squared is equal to r is 2 units, that's 2 squared. So we have, when you expand this, you expand it twice, x minus 3 times x minus 3 in 2 places, plus, this is y, minus minus to give you plus, it's equal to 2 squared is 4. So, x times x squared, x times minus 3x, minus 3 times x, minus 3x, minus 2 times minus 3, plus 9, plus y plus 2 times y plus 2 is equal to 4. So x squared minus 3 times minus 3 will give you minus 6x plus 9 plus y times y squared, y times 2 plus 2y, 2 times y is 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4 is equal to 4. So x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 2y is 4y plus 9 plus 4. Bring 4 here, minus 4 is equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 9. 4 minus 4 is 0, equals to 0. This is the equation of your circle. Example 2. Find the equation of the circle center origin. The center is an origin. That means A is 0, B is 0. So it means that x squared plus y squared will be r squared. This is the equation when the center is origin. So now we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So that will be x squared plus y squared. And r is 3. So 3 squared will give you 9. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. This is the equation of your circle. You can stop here or you bring 9 the other way. You can stop here. Now example 3. Find the equation of the circle whose center is this. The center is 5, minus 4, and that is A, B, center. So A is 5 and B is minus 4, which passes through a point minus 3 and 2. So if this is x, this will be y. So find the equation. So your formula says x minus A all squared plus y minus B all squared equals to r squared. So now we need to know the unit. So and the distance between 2 points. We have 2 points here now. The center, this and this. So r squared will be x, this x minus b minus a is 5 all squared plus y, that's y minus b, that is minus 4 all squared. So minus 3 times minus 35 will be minus 8 all squared plus 2 minus is plus 4 all squared. So minus 8 squared is 64 plus 2 plus 4 is 6 squared, and that will be 64 plus 36, that is 100. So we have that r squared is 100, so r is square root of 100, r is 10 units. So the equation of the circle s minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. So we have x minus your a is given as 5, b is minus 4, a is 5, while b is minus 4 all squared is equal to 10 squared. So when you expand this, we have x squared, a short method of expansion. 2 times minus 5 times x is minus 10x, minus 5 squared will give you plus 25, plus y minus is plus 4, all squared is 100. So x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y raised to power 2 plus 2 times 4 times y, that's 8y plus 4 squared, that's 16, minus 100 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y plus 25 plus 16 minus 100 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y, 25 plus 16, 5 plus 6, 11 carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So we have plus 41 minus 100 is 0. 41 minus 100, 10, 1, 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is 59. This is minus 59. So x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y minus 59 is 0. This is the equation of a circle. Now example 4. Find the equation of a circle whose diameter has the endpoints this and this. If you have your circle, this is the diameter, this is the center, the endpoint A, that's 5, 4, and the endpoint B, 7, 4. So we are asked to find the equation of the circle. We need to get radius. We also need to know the center, A, B. Since this is the midpoint, we use the midpoint theorem. This is the midpoint, that's the center. This is center. So the midpoint theorem states that x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the midpoint theorem. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So CA comma B is equal to x1 is 5 plus x2 7 over 2. y1 is 4, y2 is also 4 over 2. So we have 5 plus 7, 12 over 2, comma 4 plus 4, 8 over 2, 2 in 12, 6, comma 2 in 8 is 4. So the center, coordinate point at the center is 6, comma 4. So A is 6, YB is 4. Circle, you need your radius. So I can also get my radius by saying that x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. So x now, I'll be taking this point, x, now the center, this center, I'm using the center and this coordinate point. You can use a or b. So using point A, so x will be 5 minus a, which is 6 all squared, plus y will be 4 minus b is 4, all squared is r squared. So this 5 minus 6 gives minus 1 all squared plus 0 squared is equal to r squared. Minus 1 squared is 1 is equal to r squared. Therefore, r is square root of 1, which is 1 unit. So I have all my parameters. So the equation of the circle s minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. So we have x minus a is 6 and b is 4. 6 and b is 4 squared, and r squared is 1. So we have s is equal to 2 times minus 6, that's minus 12 times x, minus 12x, minus 6 squared is plus 36, plus y squared, then 2 times minus 4, minus 8 times y, minus 8y, minus 4 squared is plus 16 is equals to 1. In case you don't know how to expand it in this logical way, you write x minus 6 twice. When you expand it, you have your result. So from here, x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 minus 1 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 8y plus 36 plus 16 minus 1 is 0. So 16 minus 1 gives 15. So 15 plus 36, 6 plus 5, 11 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 8y plus 51. This is the equation of the circle. Now note, x minus 6 squared, if you don't know the logic way, you write it twice, x minus 6, x minus 6. And x times x is x squared, x times minus 6, minus 6x, minus 6 times x is minus 6x, minus 6 times minus 6 is plus 36. So x squared minus 12x plus 36. When you look at this, you see we have the same result. That is that. So, questions. Now, these are the practice questions. Question 1 says, find the equation of the following circles. A, center 0, 0, radius 7. B, center 0, 0, radius root 5. Number 2, find the equations of the following circles. A, center 2, minus 3, radius 4. B, center minus 1, minus 4, radius 3. Number 3, the endpoints of a diameter of a circle have coordinates 2, 3 and 5, minus 6. Find the equation of the corresponding circle. Number 4, find the equation of the circle passing through 3, minus 2, 4, 5, and minus 6, minus 3. Now, I want you to go to the YouTube platform and make comments in the comment box. And also, if you have personal questions for me, you can send to my email account, alberttoba2020@gmail.com. Please go to the YouTube platform and subscribe. It's very important. Click on the button subscribe and see you next class. Thank you very much.